Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasir Ramesh from Mahadi School, and today we continue our lesson number 6, food and shelter of animals. So in this lesson we learn about food of animals and shelter of animals. We learn that where animals live and which type of food they are eating, right? So we continue today topic textbook exercise. From previous lectures we learn exercise of textbook, right? So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line, that stop doubting yourself, work hard and make it happen, right? So what mean that when you do any that I can't do this work, right? So stop doubting yourself and make it happen. So let's start our today's topic with this beautiful line. What is lesson? Lesson number 6, food and shelter of animals. Means our lesson number 6 is about animals, that which animals eat which type of food. So in this lesson we learn about different types of food and shelter of animals. Some animals are eat plants, some animals are eat seeds, when some animals are eat flesh of other animals. So animals like cow and horse and goat and sheep are eat plants or grass, and animals like lion and tiger and many other are eat flesh of other animals. In this, some animals are eat flesh of other animals. When they feel hungry, they are going and kill the small animals. When some animals are eat leftover meat and they eat, right? So these all things we learn in this lesson. So we also learn some animals like lizard and woodpecker eat worms and insect, and some animals like crow and deer are eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. So all these things we learn in lesson number 6, that food and shelter of animals, right? So let's go and start our today's topic. So let's see what we learn today. So what we learn today? Today we learn textbook exercise. So we continue textbook exercise, right? So what we learn in textbook exercise today? Today we learn match the following and choose the correct answer. So these two exercise we complete today, right? So before we start today's lecture, first let's revise what we learned in previous lecture. So anyone remember what we learned in previous lecture? Let's see and revise what we learned. So before we revise all these things, we revise lesson number 6, that shelter of animals, right? So first quickly revise that which animals live where. Some animals roaming in forest, they are living in open forest. When some animals are living in caves, which is a hole in mountain. Some animals live in hollow of the tree, which is a hole in tree, and it is natural shelter of animals. When some animals are making their own home, like beehives, nest and burrows, right? So all these things we learn in this lesson. We also learn that some animals we kept with us and we make their home, like horse live in stable, cow live in shed, and dog live in kennel, and many other animals. which we kept with us. So these all things we learn in lesson number 6. So in previous lecture we learned textbook exercise. Right? So first we revise what we learn, which exercise we learn. We learn yesterday fill in the blanks and true or false. What we learn? Fill in the blanks first. Right? So 1, a dash eat grass. In this we have to write 2 names. Right or wrong? Wrong. Why? Because we have to write only 1 name, right? A dash eat grass. We have 2 options and we have to write right answer, which we learned in previous lecture. So a dash eat grass. Squirrel and cow. So we write the spelling of cow, C-O-W. We can see here the picture of cow, right? So which animal eat grass? Cow eat grass. Squirrel eat seeds, right? We already learned about this, that squirrel and many other birds are eating seeds. So a cow eat grass. Then second, a dash is a large area covered with mainly trees and plants. So which area covered with trees and plants, and what we called it? Large area. So caves are also large hole in mountain, right? And forest is the area where animals live, right? So it's covered with tree and plants. So what is the answer? A forest is large area covered with mainly trees and plants. So all these things we learn in previous lecture, right? Then number 3, dash make hive to live in. So which animal make hive to live in? Birds or bees? Who make honey for us? Honey bee, and bees live in beehive. You can see here one bee is going inside hive. So which animal? Bees. Bees make hive to live in. Right? So in 4th, birds make dash. So we see the picture of nest, burrow and nest. So what birds make to live in? They make burrow in land or nest on tree. Here you can see 2 birds. So what is the answer? Birds make nest. Bird make nest to dash, lay eggs or eat food. So in nest what they put? Eggs, right? So why birds make nest? They make nest to live in. When they want to eat, they are going outside and eat seeds from land, right? So birds make nest to lay eggs. So what is the answer? Lay eggs. Bird make nest to lay eggs. Then at home we keep fish in dash. So when we keep fish with us, did we make shed for them? Because cow living in shed. So when we see the picture of shed, there is no water and fish need water to live in. You can see here picture of aquarium. So at home we keep fish in aquarium, right? So now you can understand that at home where we keep fish. So these all things we learn in previous lecture. Then we learn about true and false. Second question, that we have to write true for right sentence and false for wrong sentence, right? So first, animals eat same kind of food. Then we see the picture of 3 animals. One is squirrel, second is cow and third is birds. And you can see here that these 3 animals are eat different kind of food. One is eating plant, one is eating nuts or fruits, and third is eating seeds. So different types of animals are eat different kind of food. this sentence is wrong. So now you can understand that all animals are eat different kind of food because their eating habit is different from each other. So animals eat same kind of food is the wrong answer. Number 2, lion and tiger eat insect and worms. So you can see in this picture lion and tiger, and what they are eating. Is there an insect? Is there a caterpillar? Or is there a fly or spider? No. So what they are eating? They are eating flesh, right? So lion and tiger eat insect and worm is wrong answer. So what is the right answer? Lion and tiger eat flesh of other animal. So what we write here, true or false? We write here false. This all exercise we complete in previous lecture. Then next, a dog live in shed. Now what is shed? We learn about shed, a home which we make for cow, right? So which animal live in shed? Cow live in shed. So now you can understand that animal like cow and buffalo live in shed when dog live in canals, right? So is that right? A dog live in shed? True or false? We know that cow living in shed, right? So what is the answer? Dog is living in canal. So this sentence is wrong. So we write here false. So now you can understand that which sentence is right and which sentence is wrong. Then number 4, horse are kept in stable. So as we know that when we keep horse with us as pet animal, we have to make big home for them, and this home is known as stable. So many horses are living in stable. So mostly in farm they make stable for horse and kept them. So this sentence is right. Horse are kept in stable. So now you can understand that some sentences are wrong and some sentences are right. Then number 5, a rabbit live in cave. So now what is cave first? So first, where rabbit is living? You can see here the picture of rabbit, right? So rabbit live in hole, right? So as we know that in this lesson we learn about 3 types of hole: hollow of the tree, cave and burrow. So now rabbit live in burrow, and burrow is the underground home of animals, which animals create by own. So a cave is a hole in mountain which is natural, when burrow is a hole in land which is created by an animal. So a rabbit live in burrow, not live in cave. So this sentence is wrong. A rabbit live in cave is false sentence. Why? Because rabbit live in burrow which is a underground land and they live inside it. Right? So what we learned today? Let's start today's topic. The first topic today is match the following. So what we do in this? We already done this exercise in previous lectures. So we have 2 columns, column 1 and column 2. So we have to join answer from column 2. We have 1 column in which question and in second column we have answer. So we have to join them. And second today we learn is choose the correct answer. So this is a new thing for you, but you already do this exercise in exam. So now we have 1 question and 4 answers. We have to choose 1 answer from it because 3 answers are wrong and 1 is right. So let's start today's first exercise. Match the following. Right? So let's start. What is first exercise? Match the following. So where are we going? we are going to learn match the following, right? So sit in my train, we are going. Let's go. Yes, number 1. Here you can see example. Number 2, hen eat seeds. So like that you have to join all this. 1 is already done and other 4 you have to do, right? So first let's see the question. Cow, hen, lizard, tiger and bear. So from this 1 I already done, right? So what is this? These all are animals and we have to write that which animal eat which food, right? So as we learn in this lesson that some animals are eat plants, some animals are eat seeds, some animals are eat flesh of other animals and some animals are eat insects and worms. So first is hen. So hen eat seeds. We learn about this, right? So birds and hens and squirrels are eat seeds like wheat, rice, barley and many other like sunflower seeds and all this. So we already done this. Number 1, cow. Now what cow eat? Is cow eat flesh of other animals? Did you see anywhere cow is eating meat? No. Then number 3, grass. Grass means plants. So cow eat grass? Yes. Then number 4, plants and animals. So as we learn in this lesson that some animals are eat plants also and animals also. And number 5, insects. So from this what cow is eating? Yes, number 3. So we joined number 1 with number 3 because cow eat grass. So now you can understand that which animal is eating what. We have options but we have to choose only one answer, right? So first cow eat grass. Now number 2, hen, we joined it with seeds. Then number 3, lizard. So we learn about lizard. Lizard is also one of the insect. Some called lizard as insect, some called lizard as small animal. So what lizard eat? Is lizard eat flesh of animals? Did you see any time in forest that lizard is going and attack on animals? Yes or no? I never see it, right? So lizard not eat flesh of other animals, right? So what lizard eat? Plant and animals. Did you see any time lizard is eating grass? I never see, right? Then number 5, insect. So we learn about insect and worm, that which animal eat insect and worm, right? Then what lizard eat? Insect. Then number 4, tiger. So what tiger eat? Flesh of other animals, right? So what we do first? We have to join tiger with flesh of animal and lizard with insect, right? So let's join tiger with flesh of other animals, right? So we joined it and the lizard with insect. So now you can understand that what animal eat. And last one is bear, and bear eat plants and animals both. So we have only one option, so we joined bear with plants and animals. So now what is the answer? Cow eat grass, hen eat seeds, lizard eat insect, tiger eat flesh of other animals, and bear eat plants and animals. So it is a answer of match the following column A with column B. So now you can understand that how we joined this with arrow, right? So let's see the answer. So let's write the answer that cow eat grass, hen eat seeds. So animals like hen, squirrel and many other are eating seeds like rice, wheat, barley, corn and sunflower seeds and many other. When animals like lizard, small animals which eat insects like spider and flies and many other insects they eat, and the animals like tiger eat flesh of other animals. As we learn in this lesson that animals like lion and tiger are going in forest, they kill animal and they eat. They are not eating dead animals, or they are eating them with their family. Okay, so now number 5, bear. So what bear eat? Bear eat plants and animals. So bear is one of the animal who known as the cleaner of the forest. Why? Because bear eat dead animals, means the animals which killed by lion and tiger, and they eat this animal. The leftover body is eaten by bear. That's why bear is known as cleaner of the forest. So now you can understand that which animals eat which type of food, right? So what we have to do in this? We have one question and 4 answers. From these 4 answers, we have to write only one right answer. So this is choose the correct answer, which is new for you, but we already done in exam, right? So let's see. Choose the correct answer. Sit in train, we are going, right? So let's go. See, here you can see the sample. We have one question, 4 answers, but we have to write only one right answer. Other 3 answers are wrong. So question number 1, which of these animal eats insects? Now we have 4 options. 1 is woodpecker, 2nd is lizard, 3rd is eagle, and 4th is both A and B. Means number D is answer A and B. So what is the answer? Which of this animal eat insect? We learn about woodpecker, that woodpecker eat insect from stem of the tree, right? Then we learn about lizard, that lizard eat insect. Then we learn about eagle and number D. So let's see what is the answer, right? So we have here animals that eat insects. So we have lizard, we have woodpecker and frog. So where is eagle here? You can see eagle? No, right? So lizard and woodpecker eat insect and worms. Remember we learned about this, that woodpecker use their beak and find the insect from wood and eat. So animals like lizard and woodpecker eat insect and worm. So what is the answer? Let's see. Which of this animal eat insect? We have to correct the answer. So what is the answer? Both A and B. So we write here woodpecker and lizard eat insect, but we have to only correct one answer. So we cannot tick mark the woodpecker and lizard both. So that's why we have option D, that both A and B, woodpecker and lizard, eat insect and worm. So now you can understand that how you have to write this answer. Then let's see number 2. Which of these animal eat seeds, right? So which animal eat seeds? 4 options: cows and horses, hens and squirrels, lizard and woodpecker, and all of these. So we learn about this, that animals eat plants, seeds, flesh of other animals and insects. So which animals eat plants and grass? Cows and horses. Then we have second option, hens and squirrels. We have third option, lizard and woodpecker, and D, all of this. So all of these are not eating grass. All of these are not eating seeds also, right? So let's learn. Here you can see the seeds, picture of seeds, and which animals are eating seeds? Squirrel, hen and birds, right? So we have option B, that squirrel and hens eat seeds, right? So birds, hen and squirrel eat seeds. So let's write the answer. What is the answer? Which animal of this eat seeds? So cow and horses eat plants, and hen and squirrels eat seeds. Lizard and woodpecker eat insect, right? So now you can understand that which animal eat seeds. Then number 3. Which of these animal eat plants and flesh of other animals? So as we learned in previous lectures that some animals eat plants, some animals eat flesh of other animals, and some animals eat plants as well as flesh of other animals, right? So from this, which animals eat both flesh and plant? So we have 4 options: bear and crow, tiger and eagle, cow and squirrel, lizard and woodpecker. So let's learn. Here you can see we have meat also. Meat means flesh, and we have grass also. So which animal you can see here which is eating grass also and meat also? So we have 2 animals, bear and crow. These 2 animals eat meat, flesh of other animals, as well as grass also. So they are also known as a cleaner of the forest. So as I told you that these animals eat flesh which left over by other animal. So that's why they know as a cleaner of the forest, right? So which is the answer? We have bear and crow. So bear and crow is right answer, because tiger and eagle eat flesh of other animals, cow eat grass, squirrel eat seeds, when lizard and woodpecker eat insects and worms. So what is the answer? Which of these animals eat plants and flesh of other animals? Bear and crow. So now you can understand that which animal eat flesh and plants. So let's see the next question. What is next question? Where do we find bats and bears? So we learn about bats and bear. We also learn about home of these animals. So now you can understand that which animal live where, right? So we have 4 options: in caves, in hives, in burrows and in nest. So where they are living? Cave is a big hole in mountain. Hive means small home of small animal. Burrow means underground home of animal which created by animal. And in nest is the home of animals which they make from twigs and straws, right? So let's see. Here you can see honeybee, rabbit, nest, bear and bat. Now honeybee live in hive, rabbit live in burrow, birds live in nest, right? So we have to write here about bear and bat, right? So where living bear and bat? You can see here two pictures, bears and bats, right? So where they are living? Is there in hive? No. Is there in nest? No. Is there in burrow? No. So where they are? They are not living in hive. They are not living in burrow. They are not living in nest. So where they are living? They are living in caves. You can see here big hole in mountain. This is a caves of bear and bat. So where they are living? They are living in caves. So we have four options: in caves, in hives, in burrow and in nest. So which is the right one? In caves. So we put right mark in cave because beehive live in burrow, in nest. So other animals are live inside this, right? So let's see next one. Which of these birds used to make nest? So we all know that birds are make their nest, right? So what they are using? Stones, straw and twigs, leaves and cottons, and both B and C. So first let's understand that what birds make. They make nest, and what they are using? Straw, twigs, leaves and cotton, right? So these four things birds use to make their nest. They collect from the land, from the tree, from the farms and make their nest. So what we have to write here? Let's make their nest from leaves and cotton and straw and twigs. So B is straw and twigs and C is leaves and cotton. So what is the answer? Both B and C. That's why we tick mark the D, because we have to write only one answer. So now you understand that how we have to write there. Choose the correct answer, right? So what is the right answer? Both B and C. So what we learn today? Today we learn about match the following, in which we write answer. We join column A with B and we write answer of choose the correct, right? So we write one answer from four answer. One is right, other three is wrong. So I hope you all understand what we learned today. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.